Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use a capture card for Xbox. First, connect your Xbox console to the capture card's HDMI input port. Next, take another HDMI cable and connect the capture card's HDMI output to your television or monitor. Finally, use a USB cable to link the capture card to your computer. This setup ensures your gameplay is both displayed and ready for capture, making the initial connection process straightforward and efficient for recording your gaming sessions. Once your hardware is connected, it is time for the software. Install the capture card's dedicated software on your computer, which usually comes with the device or is available online. Open the application and select your capture card as the primary video input. Take a moment to adjust the video resolution, often to 1080 pixels, and fine-tune audio settings to ensure crisp, clear recordings without any distortion. With the software configured, you are ready to record. Start your favorite Xbox game and ensure that the gameplay is clearly visible within your capture software window. Locate and click the prominent record button to begin capturing your session. Throughout your recording, it is crucial to monitor the audio levels carefully, keeping them in the green range to prevent any clipping or distortion, ensuring a high-quality sound experience for your viewers. After your epic gaming session, simply click the Stop button in your capture software to end the recording. Take some time to review your recorded footage, checking for overall quality, content, and any unexpected issues. Once satisfied, export your video in a widely compatible format, like MP4, which is perfect for uploading to platforms such as YouTube or sharing with friends. This final step makes your gaming moments ready for the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.